How to use Revolut Virtual Card. So this is what Revolut Virtual Card looks like. And how are we going to use this one? So first, you just have to simply launch and open your Revolut application. Make sure that this one is up to date. Now you need to sign up if you don't have an account, but if you have an account already, click log in. And all you have to do is just simply look for cards option, tap this one, and then under get card, you can see here disposable virtual card or virtual. You just have to simply tap this virtual card right here and enter some information. So, for example, this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is click this get virtual cards for free. So, once you tap this one, you need to enter your card name. Okay, so everything is up to you. Once done, then click create card. After you tap this create card, then you have successfully added a virtual card to your Revolut. The next thing to do here is to locate your wallet. And here, what you want to do is to simply look for Revolut application here. If you have linked your Revolut account, then it will pop up right here. This is what it looks like. And what you want to do is simply click plus to link the virtual card from your Revolut account. So tap this one and then choose from debit, credit, or this travel card. So of course we have to tap this debit or credit card here. Now once you tap this one, then what you want to do next is to simply choose the bank, and that is Revolut. Tap this one. After this, you need to enter the card information, of course, your name and the card number. And then once done, then that's it. You can now simply use this Revolut virtual card to any of your transaction. So here you can simply, choose use a default card or not now. So this card will be automatically selected when you use Apple Pay, but you can skip or you can say a not now or tap this not now button. Now, this is what it looks like. And yes, you can now use your Revolut virtual card for any transaction. And this is what it looks like. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.